Guys, especially women, when you are divorcing with your father of your child, or you are divorcing with your husband, don't expect that you will find a man who is going to that person is single. It's so difficult, you understand? Because guys, most of the times, especially when you are in a age of 30, of 30s, 36, you are expecting that you can find a man who is single. Guys, it's so hard nowadays, you understand? And you are going to date those married men. You are going to date those married men. Guys, nowadays it's so difficult to find a man who is single. Maybe you are in a 30s. It's so difficult. It's so difficult nowadays. Most of them, they are married. They've got their partners. Sometimes you have to accept, you understand? You have to accept your situation. And especially when you are in a single mother, you've got kids. Guys, concentrate on your kids. You understand? Concentrate on your kids. Don't concentrate on on men only, because guys, those people most of the times who are married, they want to waste your time. You understand? They want to waste your time, because those people, you understand, they have got their, they are already have their own families most of the times.